Hey guys, it's me, Sylvia. I'm here today to show you how I made this extra crunchy and relaxing slime. It was really easy to make, it smells amazing, it's not expensive to make at all, and I really love it. So if you want to learn how I made it, please go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much. See you next time. We're going to need a big bowl with a mixing spoon, a little teaspoon of borax, a cup of warm water, some body lotion, some Elmer's glue, and foam beads or any decorations that you want to add, confetti or anything like that. I'm pouring right here about 1.5 cups of Elmer's glue. I forgot to mix the borax with my warm water. Please do that first and mix really well until all of the borax is completely dissolved and your water is completely clear. I'm gonna add now a few drops of essential oil. I think this is gonna make it more relaxing. You don't have to do this, but I really like this part of it. I will also add later on some lavender. Right here I added the borax, and as you can see, the activation of the slime, it's instant. Here's what I'm gonna go ahead and add a few lavender drops. I'm gonna continue to add slowly the borax, very slowly. If you put too much, you can ruin your slime. So make sure to do it slowly until you get the desired consistency. As you can see right here, my slime is still pretty sticky, but I'm just gonna go in with my hands. I wanna make sure it's not used that I need to mix it really well before adding more borax. We're gonna continue to add borax slowly until it doesn't feel sticky anymore. Once your slime is a little more manageable, you're gonna go ahead and add the body lotion. I'm putting about two tablespoons of lotion right here. I'm gonna mix it really well, and this is again gonna make it a little liquidy, so we're gonna continue to add borax until not sticky anymore. I will add a little more borax, and right now I feel I have my slime the way that I want it. At this point, I still added a little more borax because it was too sticky for my liking. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my foam beads. I added a little too many foam beads, but I just love the sensation they have in my hands and the way that they sound. So you can add less or none if you want. At this point, your slime is ready to play with. If you want to, you can leave it for 24 hours to sit. That's gonna give it a better consistency and a really cool effect with the foam beads. All the foam beads are gonna come to the top and it's gonna look super pretty. After 24 hours, this is the beautiful result.